If you ever were worried about how to use ClickFunnels, how to start it, how to navigate through it, don't worry about it. It does seem a little intimidating. I was scared. I was a little nervous when I first started. I'm going to show you everything in this video, okay? From what is ClickFunnels, how to set up simple funnels, your domains, integrations, all that stuff. All right, guys? If you guys stick with me till the end, I also have a done-for-you funnel. If you want to join the business model that I'm in, I'm going to give you a funnel where you can download that into your ClickFunnels account, and all you got to do is just plug in, paste your videos, your links, and start driving traffic. All right, guys? If you guys are new to this video, appreciate you guys that are coming in. If you guys haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down in the bottom here, and that way you will get notified on new videos, how to make money online, different ways. All right, that is what I talk about here in this video. But for right now, let's go ahead and talk about ClickFunnels. What's ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels is going to be a software that we go through and that we sign up, and this is where we create our sales funnels, okay? So to speak, I guess our website. There is a difference between a website and a sales funnel, but these sales funnels, they basically, as a funnel, they're gonna drive traffic, and they're gonna navigate them through the product that we're promoting, that we're selling, whatever the case is. And also during that whole process is where we're gonna be collecting emails, all right? You kind of see down here that there's about 107,000 people, users that are using ClickFunnels, right? So it's been working pretty well for a lot of us, all right? 8.9 million funnels that have been created. So what is a sales funnel? As I was talking about earlier, we're going to be creating a simple 2-page funnel. That is basically all we need. I've been talking about this, and if you guys have heard me before, this process is a simple process. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be driving traffic in a series of pages through the funnel, through a series of pages. So the first page that they're going to see is going to be our landing page, our opt-in page, our pretty much this page has a different name, a lot of different names in it. This is where you're more than likely going to be collecting people's emails, okay? If you guys have heard me before, if you guys seen other videos, I've talked about emails should be your number one priority on building a business, on building your long-term business. So the landing page is going to be the first page that they're going to see, where you're going to be collecting emails. After that, you're going to send them over to what is called a sales page, a bridge page, okay? Depending on what you're doing, what you're promoting, how you're using your business for, whether it's a drop shipping store, an agency, it's an affiliate marketing, whatever the case is, a sales page, okay? This is where you're going to put a video, a picture. You're going to tell the story on what you're doing, okay? After that, if you have your own store, drop shipping, whatever, you obviously collect payments and then you send them to the products. If you're an affiliate marketer, like for example, like myself, send them over to the affiliate offer, the product, right? Whatever you're promoting, and then that company takes over, and that is it. All right. So just a little bit of more information down here. ClickFunnels is awesome for generating leads, okay? Selling your own products, if you're hosting webinars, follow-up funnels, whatever the case is, kind of thing, all right? Let's go ahead and get into it. If you guys haven't signed up for a ClickFunnels account, it is a 14-day free trial when you first sign up, all right? If you guys want that link, it's going to be down in the bottom. It's going to be the first link in my description. And as I was saying earlier, if you guys do go through me at the end and you guys stay at the end, I will be giving you a done for you funnel for the business that I'm also in, all right? You can plug it into your account, plug and play, post your stuff, boom, start going at it. All right, so now that you're actually into your account, you got into it, you already signed up, the first thing that I like to do is establish or create a domain. Come up to the top right hand corner and go down to account settings. So what is a domain? A domain is going to be a little piece of you that you purchase, okay? Come down to the left hand corner, come all the way down to domains, okay? Domain is going to be whatever you created. For example, you see mine is davidogutierrez.com. So every time anybody types that into the URL, it's going to send them to my website, to my sales pages, right? Because that is mine. I own that domain. Okay, and there's a reason why we want to buy a domain. I'll talk about that a little bit more as we get into the sales, once we start creating these sales pages. All right, if you guys don't have one where you can transfer them from GoDaddy or whatever, you can get one up here on the top right hand corner. Add new domain. Okay, register for a new domain. you're going to choose a domain. This is where you're going to choose to see if it's available, all right? For example, if we have one like, let's say ClickFunnels, okay? Obviously, that is not going to be available because ClickFunnels owns it. You can kind of see that it's already restricted. It doesn't allow you, okay? I'm going to type in David, let's say 301 Gutierrez, okay? And it looks like there's a couple that are available, okay? You want to stick with the ones that are .com. You don't want to go with the .net, .org, .edu, whatever the case is, okay? Don't try to go off to another place. You want to stick with .com because everybody knows .com. It's a lot easier. It is for $20, and that is $20 per year, meaning that you own that name, you own that domain, that right to create stuff, okay? I'm obviously not going to buy it, but it is available. You see it's available. Once you do, go ahead and purchase that, and that is going to be your domain. You do not necessarily have to use it here on ClickFunnels. You can transfer that if you're going to be using another website, another program, whatever the case is. That is your domain. You bought that, all right? Now that we have our domain, the second thing that I like to do is integrate our email autoresponders, okay? In sales funnels, in this business, our main thing is to be collecting emails, okay? I've said this before, this should be your number one priority, collecting emails. Now, when you do collect an email, there's gotta be a place that you have to store it. That is going to be your email autoresponder, all right? So when people come into your funnels, in ClickFunnels, they're gonna type in their email. ClickFunnels is gonna wanna send that domain, they're gonna wanna send that email somewhere so they can store it. This is where you're gonna connect your email autoresponder with your ClickFunnels so they can talk to each other and ClickFunnels can send them those emails, all right? Same page in the account settings, come down into integrations. You want to integrate your autoresponder, okay? Now, I've been using nothing but Aweber. Aweber has been awesome to me. It's simple, and I believe it's like the first 500 emails or below or few or less that you have is free. So by the time you hit 500 and up, you should be making some money, right? But anything below 500 is free, which is awesome. If you want to get into Aweber, there'll be a link down in the description as well to kind of get you signed up. Super simple and everything, all right? Once you have your account in Aweber, which is going to be your email autoresponder, once again, come up to the top right-hand corner, add new integration, okay? And here they have pretty much every auto email responder here, from Aweber to GetResponse, MailChimp, right? Push Crew, Shopify, whatever the case is kind of thing. You click on that, whatever product you have, log in, integrate it, super simple, and you're done, all right? So every time somebody goes in through your funnels and puts their email, ClickFunnels is going to know, hey, I'm going to send this email to their autoresponder, and that is where you're going to store them and send emails and stuff. Now that we have all that set up, let's go ahead and get into into creating funnels, all right? Come up to the top where it says ClickFunnels, and you're going to come down where you're going to build a funnel. We're going to build a funnel from scratch so you can kind of see and understand how it all works. Now here they help you on how to create funnels, all right? What's your main purpose on creating funnels? Do you want to collect emails? Are you trying to sell a product that you have, right? Drop shipping, you have your own product, or you want to host webinars, all right? In my situation, in my case, I'm always wanting to collect emails, all right? So I'm going to choose this one right here. This is what we're gonna name it. I'm gonna go ahead and just name it YouTube Tester. Looks like I already have one, Tester number 2, all right? On the bottom is your tags. If you have any tags that are gonna be associated so they know once people hit that tag, they're gonna send them to this funnel. I'm not gonna add anything for right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and build my funnel. So as I was saying earlier, it's gonna be a simple 2-page funnel. That is what I use. It's a simple funnel, simple thing, and it's very effective if you know how to use it, all right? So the first one, you kind of see on the top, on the left-hand corner, is going to be our checklist. We have our funnels. We have our opt-in page, which is going to be our landing page, squeeze page, basically where we're going to collect emails, to our thank you page. Our thank you page / bridge page that we're going to be talking a little bit about us and then introducing the product that we're going to send them over, okay? If we want to add new steps, just add new steps here, and it continues on based on what you need for your business, okay? So the first one's going to be a landing page. It's going to be a squeeze page, all right? My model or my thing is keep it simple. The KISS method, right? Keep it simple. The more simple you keep it, the more you add curiosity, it sparks them to continue through your sales funnel, right? You don't want to make this super complicated, and it doesn't necessarily have to be, all right? So what I'm doing, I'm looking for something that, for example, kind of makes me curious, sparks interest, but also has a very simple template. Check this one out, the gray video opt-in. You can preview it, okay? And it doesn't necessarily have to be this, but something that kind of that's kind of like you. All right, so check this out. So we have a video, we have a place that we have our name, our email address, and of course our buttons, simple words. I like it, okay? I'm gonna actually make this mine. This is what I wanna do. And for the purpose of this video, we're just gonna do this so I don't, waste so much time where you have to spend hours checking, looking at this. All right, so now I integrated and I downloaded it into my account, into my funnel, to my YouTube tester number 2, okay? This is where we're going to be editing our pages, okay? Before we start doing that, I like to actually clean up this URL right here and kind of let everything good. Go up to the settings and click on your domain, okay? Your domain that you have, okay? I'm gonna obviously pick mine for the purpose of this video because it's the one I have. And then your path. What is your path? Your path is going to be everything after the .com, the slash. So this right here, up here, is going to be your path. All right. So you can add davidogutierrez.com / whatever, and it's gonna send them to one funnel. You can have another. You can create another funnel where it's gonna say davidogutierrez.go, and I'll send them to another funnel. Right. That is going to be your path. Let's go ahead and clean this up to make it a little bit more approachable, and I'm just gonna go with go for right now, okay? Or let's go, you know what, Den. I don't know, let's go with Den, okay? You can name your, this is gonna be the name of your funnel, your tags, your tracking codes if you have your Facebook pixels. We'll talk a little bit about that, and then your payment methods. After that, go ahead and go on the bottom and save. If you do not hit save on none of these pages, it will not save. I'll send you back through, okay? Now that we're good with that, go back out to your opt-in page. This is where you're going to clean up your address as well. So kind of see how it says davidogutierrez.com opt-in, blah blah blah. Come up to the settings, and it's actually surprises me a lot that a lot of people don't really know how to clean this up or kind of just look past this. All right, it's going to be your opt-in / page. So let's go ahead and clean this up. Let's go then. All right, let's go ahead and put that in. Update that funnel again. All right, so see how it actually cleaned it up. Look at how much cleaner this looks. davidogutierrez.com / then, right? So every time somebody clicks on that, they're gonna send them to this actual page. They're gonna send them to this profile, okay? Just to make sure that everything is clear, and I know I kind of went a little too fast right now and it just kind of hit me. When we went up to the settings up here and we changed the path, that is basically the whole path of the whole funnel. When we came down here and we changed this is going to be the URL. If you type this URL, it's going to this opt-in page. Does that make sense? I hope that kind of makes sense. Write a comment down here in the comments to let me know if you kind of understand it, all right? Because I kind of just picked that up. In my mind, I kind of knew what was going on. And let's say we put go here, right? Let's say we put go. If I type in davidogutierrez.com / go, it's going to send me to this page, which is the opt-in page. But if I push then, it's going to send me to the entire funnel, okay? I just want to make that clear to make sure that you guys understand it. Now that we have all that stuff set up and clean, let's go ahead and edit up our page. So this is where we're going to edit our page. It's going to take us in. And like I said, it's a simple drag and drop kind of thing. If you spend 30 minutes just kind of browsing, just kind of checking stuff out here on how to move, how to edit stuff, it's super simple. Check it out. If you want to change the words, double click, and you could actually add whatever you want. If you want to change the colors on this, right? You can definitely change it. But this is what I was saying as far as sparking interest. You want to keep it simple and you want to spark interest. In my niche, I am in the wealth niche, which is make money online, okay? So what is some kind of curiosity that I know people are going to be curious about and want to click over into the next page? All right, learn how to build a 6-figure income with this simple process. That kind of sparks curiosity, right? Because it kind of makes you think, okay, I want to learn, I want to know more on how to do that, right? He's saying it's a simple process. I'm making 6 figures. how do you do that, right? I want to learn more, sparks curiosity, and it makes me want to put my email, my name and my email address in and go to the next page. That is what you want. You want them to continue to go through the process, all right? So if I wanted to change the colors, for example, like if I wanted to click, come down and change the color on this, you want to actually come down to this box right here, go to your settings or click on it. You could change the color, right? What you want to do is you want to actually integrate it and make it look the same. You want to all your funnels look the same. You don't want them to be one red, one blue, one black, and kind of confuse the customer. So let's say we want to keep it, let's go with all blue, right? Let's go with blue. Okay, you can change and then come up here, you can change, click here to find out how, right? Something like that, okay? Of course, put a video, put a picture of yourself, something, right? And this is basic, just, this is just simple stuff where you can kind of play around and see how for your liking. After you're done, and let's say this is what we want to keep it, how we want to keep it, you want to hit save, okay? Now, this actual process this is going to come out because of your SEO. I just like to type in the same thing, learn how to build a 6-figure income. Oops, there we go. And we should hit save. It should save. After we're saved, we're gonna go back onto the next page, okay? We're done with our opt-in page. Now we're gonna go on to our next page, which is going to be our thank you page. Our opt-in page, simple. Keep it simple. Give them some kind of curiosity, spark some kind of curiosity so they can put in their email address and send them over to the next page. So once they put that in, since we already integrated our funnels, that email that they put in is already going to go into our email autoresponder. We don't have to do anything, okay? Now we're going to pick a thank you page. In this page or / bridge page, I like to call it bridge page because it is the bridge from what they were seeing from us to our product, okay? In the beginning, social media, wherever I was actually at, all they saw was just our face. I was talking about a 6-figure income, the simple process, all they saw was my face. So now on this page, I want to introduce to them my mentor, the product, wherever I'm going to send them over so I do not confuse them. Okay, so what I like to do is a video. I like to actually post a video on here. And again, something simple. You don't have to go crazy. If you can, you want, right? Just make it look clean, organized, and easy to kind of walk around, all right? Check this one out. This one I think has a video, right? Yeah, it's a video that we can actually import. I want to check this one. I want this one, right? And this one's just for this video here, just to kind of show you guys. Now that it's loading up into my template, okay? See how the URL is thank you, blah, 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 whatever the case is. If I type this in, the URL is going to send me to this page. But if I type in the opt-in page, which says davidogutierrez.com/then or go, it's going to send me to my opt-in page, all right? So now that we have this, now I'm going to go ahead and edit it. Okay, you're going to create videos, you're going to create whatever the case is, you're going to upload it. And like I said, it's very simple to upload it. It's very simple to kind of navigate through here. Upload your videos, okay? Whatever you want to say, okay? And like I said, if you guys stick with me to the end here, I'm going to show you and I'm going to give you a done for you funnel. You can follow that. You can kind of use that as to kind of help you start your journey, right? What do I say? How do I say it, right? So you can kind of see all the stuff. We were using blue before. Let's go ahead and change this before I forget that, just so we can kind of have it matched. And I totally forgot the number, so I'm just going to kind of go as close as I can from here. And let's see. Let's just say click. Click here to begin. Okay, now you're going to upload your videos. You're going to make it, almost the same congruent from the opt-in to your funnel to the product to the actual affiliate offer. Now check out how it says warning down here. It's basically telling you or letting you know there's not a link where they don't know where to send them. So once they go from the opt-in page to this one, ClickFunnels doesn't know where to send your followers, all right? So make sure to put in your URL. This is where you're going to put your affiliate links, all right? Set action. Come up here to click set action and go to the website. This is where you're going to put your links, your affiliate links, okay? That's going to send them to the product. So I don't have a link with me right now, but you're gonna obviously type it in, put it in, and then of course hit save. Do not forget to hit save, because if you don't, it's not gonna record anything, and it's gonna go back to scratch. All right. And that is how simple it is to use ClickFunnels. You basically could play around with it. All right. If you haven't integrated your emails, this is another place that you can go and you integrate it. Okay. So I haven't connected anything here, and that's why you don't see anything. But if I did, I would have, for example, my Aweber, right? I will put in my name, everything, and that will know, hey, this funnel is going to be connected to my integration. That's also another way to do it. Let me just go ahead and save it. Now, I have to put in learn how to. I'll just put that in for right now. Okay, so let's say we have finished our funnels. It's a simple 2-page funnel. It's actually very simple. And now I want to try it out. So now I want to send people, let's go to our opt-in page here. So what I want to do is I want to type in this URL. You could either copy it, you can push this button right here, and I'll send you directly to the same. I'm just going to head and open up another one. davido.com/then. It should send me to that opt-in page right here. This is what the customers are going to see. Okay, I obviously didn't put in a video or anything, but it's right here. You put in your name. I'm just going to put test, the email, and it should send me to the funnel page, which is the second one, right? This is the video I'm going to have that's going to send, I'm going to be talking about. Thank you for putting in your email. I know you've been seeing my face. I'm going to introduce you to my mentor. Okay, from here, this is how I learned how to start a 6-figure income with this simple process on my business, my online business, whatever the case is. Okay, they're going to click on it and they're going to send them to the next page. I obviously didn't put anything and see how I didn't put any links in there, so it didn't send me anywhere. But that is how it works. ClickFunnels is super, super easy. All right, guys. So we talked about what is ClickFunnels, the domains, how to integrate your emails, a super simple page funnel. If you guys are still confused, maybe I didn't explain a part right, let me know down in the comments. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I actually have more videos on this type of information, how to make money, how simple it is. All right, guys. As far as the done for you funnels, all right, guys, I want you to write in the comments, I'm in, and I will send you that funnel, done for you funnel, for free, where you're going to be able to download that into your account. You're going to actually, once you click on that link, on the link that I'm going to send you, it will actually say, do you want it in your account? You're going to click on it and it's going to download it just like you saw here on the opt-in and the bridge page. Then you're going to, and I have a video instructions on exactly what to do, how to put in your links, your pictures, your videos, everything like that. If you don't want to use that one, you can definitely use that as a one to kind of copy, to kind of see how it works. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys following me, staying here till the end. If you guys have any more questions, let me know down in the comments. Like I said, type I'm in down in the comments that you guys want that funnel. I will send it to you guys. Until then, thanks.